Good morning!
Good morning! Ba't hindi karoon ng gallery staff ayun?
Because...
Kay, naimamalit og ka ng bags din na mahalon.
Okay.
So, mangita mo yun sa brand na maayuhon. Kasi mga gwapo dito na brands. Tapos, mapalit siya karon og bag.
Oh, kaya wala nagdala og bag.
Kaya wala siya nagdalag bag. Kaya parang buksan siya mapalit.
Diba?
Okay.
Girl math!
So, now we're off to brunch.
Nakikita kayo na coffee shop, brunch place nearby. It's a beautiful day! Hey, it's so sunny! Mayroon pag ka naka-shorts lang yung mga auntie. It was so good. 11
It was
out of 10.
nice. It's a bit pricey,
Very pricey.
but the quality is good, I think.
I think ito ang pinakamahal na pancake na napalit ever.
And French toast.
And French
Pinakamahal
toast.
sa-
Pero lamig.
Yeah.
What can you do? Ito na sa mga jungle cruise. Safari outfits.
Safari outfits.
Ito palitan dire.
Wala.
Wala. Nami dire sa rooftop. So nice. Anda siya dire kay madlock siya. Ayun na. Ayun na. Enjoy the view.
Have a view of the Eiffel Tower.
Alam ko kayo mag-vlog. Happy kayo si Auntie.
Muna only reason nga nun niya, balik mo Paris kaya wala siya
Pwede,
ng picture
only
sa Eiffel
reason, no?
Tower. Pwede namin mo balik.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Uwi na po kami. ta? Bago. Ano?
Asa ta?
Ano mo to? Saan siya?
Sa
It's a garden. Some type of garden.
With a fountain.
With a fountain. Mga na ta? Mga na bitaw tawag. Dinner na ta. This is a review of the Fujifilm X100V-I. So, this is the first X100 series, of the X100 series, which has an in-body image stabilization. You still have your 23mm f2 lens,
Your? Sila ha?
yeah, which is attached to the body. Then you have a good screen. It's a articulating screen. And you still have the retro body, which is classic of an X100 series camera. Tama na.
Kaulangan tilo na kayo maingon. What will you do?
Padayon lang nila ha. Diyan lang mo.
Okay. Korean chicken pa rin. Oris ang beef tartar. Careful. Okay. Where are you going?
Don't follow me. You're a creep.